AQUA MARINA BLUEDRIVE X Pro Power Fin Review. Revolutionize your water adventures. Experience the next level of water exploration with the AQUA MARINA BLUEDRIVE X and X Pro, a powerful, innovative electric motor propulsion system designed for stand-up paddleboards, SUPs, kayaks, and even snorkeling and scuba diving. The BLUEDRIVE X features a high-performance thruster with an integrated motor, propeller, and tail cone, delivering a smooth and powerful ride on any water adventure. With an impressive forward thrust of up to 7.0 kgf, you can now paddle or glide through the water faster, farther, and with minimal effort. Key features: innovative motor system, combined motor, propeller, and tail cone for top-notch efficiency. Delivers up to 7.0 kgf forward propulsion for effortless cruising. Adjustable 3-speed control. Switch easily between 3.0 km per hour, 5.0 km per hour, and 7.0 km per hour, 2.0 meters per second max speeds. Perfect for casual paddling, fast cruising, or thrilling rides. Wristwatch type remote control. Convenient and waterproof wrist controller for easy speed adjustments anytime. Stay in control without interrupting your adventure. User-friendly digital dashboard. Instantly check your current speed and battery status both on the motor and on the remote. Smart, safe, and intuitive navigation experience. Nose illuminating system. Integrated LED lighting brightens your path for evening trips and low visibility conditions. High efficiency battery. Advanced high-density battery technology ensures extended runtime and optimal power output. Enjoy longer, more powerful sessions without worry. Perfect for stand-up paddleboards, SUPs, kayaks, snorkeling expeditions, scuba diving adventures, leisure cruising or adrenaline-packed water rides. Why choose AQUA MARINA BLUEDRIVE X Pro? Effortless power, glide across the water faster without fatigue. Smart control, adjust speed seamlessly from your wrist. Long-lasting battery, extended fun without constant recharging. Built-in lighting, safer, more exciting trips even after sunset. Versatile use, ideal for multiple water sports and activities. If you love adventure and want to transform your water activities with ease, speed, and style, the AQUA MARINA BLUEDRIVE X or X Pro is your must-have upgrade. Perfect for SUP lovers, kayakers, snorkelers, and divers. It's not just about riding the waves, it's about owning them. Get ready to redefine your aquatic adventures today.